Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lug width in millimeters and choosing the correct replacement strap. This prevents mismatches. Once done, flip the watch face down on a clean cloth so glass stays safe. Use a spring bar tool to compress the spring bar toward the strap. Gently lever it from the lug hole while holding the watch steady. Make sure to catch the spring bar in your small tray. Losing it means a delay. If bars are corroded, plan to replace them now to avoid trouble later. You now fit the new strap by sliding the spring bar into the strap's loop and aligning it with the lug. While holding one end seated, compress the opposite side with your tool and guide it into the lug hole. Do not force. Once the bar snaps in, make sure both ends are fully seated and that the strap's buckle or quick-release tab faces the correct direction for wear. If the strap feels tight, flex it gently and reseat the bar. This ensures comfort and prevents accidental detachment. You finish by testing the strap. Give a firm, gentle pull to confirm both spring bars are locked in place. Once satisfied, fasten the watch and check comfort and clearance on your wrist. Adjust the clasp position or the strap tail as needed. If the bar won't seat, remove and inspect the lug holes. Clean any debris and try a fresh spring bar because bent or dirty bars are the most common failure. Keep a spare set of bars and a tiny screwdriver in your kit for quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.